Okay, day one of the challenge. We're going to be selling. Just going to drop that order in under there. Just do drag and drop, just like so. What I'm looking for today is a 5-pip move to get 50p. Now, let me just drop that onto here so you can see it. I've done a pre-analysis. It's mainly selling, which is what I'm looking for. The euro is very strong, but it's saturated. And the dollar fell off the cliff. Now, it's only got really one way to go, which is gain strength. And I'm also going to catch the fact that the market might be volatile to reload to go a bit higher as well. So either way, I'm going to be selling it. Now, if I look at the growth tracker, it's telling me my base trade is 10p position, which will be 0.01. We're on day one of this. The size should be 3p. But this is why we've got to oversize it, because the minimum size is 10 pence, 0.1. We completed that, and I bought a holiday with it, so I'm going to take that off. Now we'll take it over onto the day tracker. It's Wednesday. I'm doing golden eye on euro dollar. The target is 50p, and that's what we sort of looking for today, and the overall target is 17 quid to buy the prop fund. Okay, so this might trigger soon. Looks like it's coming in, and there we go. Right, so we popped in. What we can do now is we just flick it up onto a 15-minute chart so we can see where we're at, because one of the good tricks is don't get frightened of the trade. Let it have its moment. Now, if I can do this in sort of a couple of trades, like a little bit here, a little bit there, that is fine, because this particular account is commission free. You don't pay any commissions on it, so you can flip about backwards and forwards. You're only paying the spread. Now, if you go down in the description, click on the BlackBull link. It'll take you through to my page, and you can open your account there. You don't need to put a big amount of money in it, and you'll get the benefit of this type of account, which is commission free. And then you can follow the journey along. Okay, and you'll be looking at exactly the same account as what I'm looking at. So at the moment, we're looking for a 50p target overall for the day, and we'll increase that as we go, which is essentially 2% of the balance, which is 25 quid. Okay, so let's play this one out and we'll see where we go. Okay guys, so what I've done is I've taken a little bit of money out already. So there's the 50p, so that's the target complete. Now all I have to do is just cash this thing out. When it goes net positive, I'll look to get out. It's that simple. So let me just flick this on while it's doing its thing, and then we'll finish that off. So we've won the trade. It was actually a B trade. I work it off the sheet, which is there. Now, I know the target is now complete at that point, so I'll put that there. And then just drop this on this side. And that's what I've taken out. So now I can see one trade, day's complete, one trade. It's done 5 pips, which it has, given me the 50p, which is my 2% gain, and it's told me that I've hit the target, so I'm complete. Okay, now I'll just put that on the growth tracker as well, because at the moment I've done 50 pence, so that's sorted. Flick that down. All I need to do now is just finish the trade out. Now I can do it a couple of ways. I can just take it to a point of net positive. Just replace that other order there, so it'll work a little bit of madness, but that's all we're going to do. We're just going to let it run into a positive criteria. What that'll do for me, it means anything extra. So if I do like another 10 pence, 50 pence, doesn't matter. It makes my job that little bit easier when I come to market tomorrow. And then Friday, well, we're off on Friday. We're off for the entire weekend. It's Easter weekend. So we're not going to do anything more till Tuesday. And that's it. So let's finish this off and then we'll call it a day on this one. Okay, kids, we finished this off. I had to take on a bit of heat, which when you've got something like this, I've got no other choice but to do. My red line of no return was up there, which you can see. I was relying on it bouncing off this level, which it did. Came back down because that's the arena I was working in. Did have downward momentum on my favor, which is what I was looking for, and I was planning on the fact that it was saturated to the point it had no other choice but to come down, which it has all the way, and you can see that here. Now I watched it on a 15-minute chart so that I'm not seeing the candles flip-flop about and I'm not getting worried by them. You can even do this on an hourly, and again, if you look at that, that looks even nicer. So it's a nice way to do things. So where are we at? So we got £2.50 today when we actually only wanted 50p. So let's just flick this over. I'm working on two workbooks. So this is the growth tracker. So we've got 250. So we did 10% today. And I'm also looking at a day tracker. So it's currently 10:30. We technically hit target here, but because we've put in an extra trade, I'm going to add that in, and the day target is now complete. I'm going to put the figures in now so I can see where I'm up to, which is here, and just pull that up. You can see them there. Just quickly pull this out of the way because I don't need that anymore. Then I can just fill this in. So it's 50, 71, 143, minus 14 because one of them was sacrificed. There are no commissions to pay on this particular asset. So as you can see, there's nothing. So there's no fees. Now if you go to the columns, you can kind of put that on. There you are. It's commission free. Come to here, click swaps. Well, I've held nothing overnight either. And if you just want to tidy these things up, all you would do is just click the columns and you can click in whatever you want. So I'll leave the change on so it pulls the profit over slightly. There's no fees or anything like that. That's it. Okay. So dead simple. And then you flick it over. There you go. So we're at 27.50. So we're on our way. What that does for me is if I put on my growth tracker, it means I'm actually well ahead of the game. I've grown by 10% in day one. Now it should only be at 2%. Now the idea here is when I take off sort of the weekend, I won't be trading sort of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So that's like 4 days. I'm actually 4 days ahead of where I need to be anyway. So what I do tomorrow, again, just makes it a bit stronger. And that's it. So I'm just stopping ahead of the game. So there we go. That's us running. I'll do another update, sort of Winning Wednesday next week. if you want to just continue seeing this, do like, subscribe, drop in the comments, say that you want to keep it going, because it's like everything else. If nobody's watching it, what's the point? You know, I will of course be doing it for the squad all the time anyway, just so that they can see it. But if you want to see it, give me a bit of encouragement. Don't need a lot of encouragement most of the time. Do you want to give me a bit of encouragement?
You need encouragement, do you?
Not really. Get your top off. What are you laughing for? She did April Fool's on me today, you know. She did. Yeah. She come upstairs and she went like that with her top and goes, right, ravish me. And I was all excited. And then she goes, ha ha, April Fool, and fucked off. Fucking cow. Okay, boys and girls, as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the 5ers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the 5ers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US, so you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, C Trader, and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.